Okay, so we are going to get started. The reason why we're going to get started is because we are a few minutes into class, and I have some notes to get through with you guys today. So today is the last day for the opener where we'll review one-step equations. After today's opener, we're going to learn the first lesson of the third triad, which is solving two-step equations. So one more quick review of how to solve one-step equations. So the first one here, I have a plus 24 equals 37. Anytime we solve equations, we're going to follow the same basic steps by first circling my variable, then drawing my line of equality. Now, the whole reason why I circle my variable is because I want to get the variable by itself. In order to get the variable by itself, what do I have to get rid of, Daisha? The plus 24. So the opposite of plus 24 is negative 24. What's that called when we do the opposite of the operation? Inverse operation. Golden rule. Whatever I do to one side of the line of equality, I do to the other. Okay? So on my left side, I'm going to bring down A equals. Then on my right side, I'm going to take 37 minus 24.
That's 13.
13. Okay. Jalen. This next one, I'm going to circle my variable. I'm going to draw my line of equality. Jalen, how do I get the variable b by itself? Good. The opposite of times is divide. So you can show dividing by 3 with the division bar like this. Or, if you want, you can also do divide by 3 like that. It does not matter. As long as that you're showing me you're dividing by 3, I am okay with it. So golden rule. Whatever I do to one side of the line of equality, I do to the other. All right, Jalen, I want you to work this one through now. What do I bring down on my left side? Equals, then 7. Good. Come on. Good. Nice job. Okay. Moving right along. Kaylon, you want this one?
Yeah.
Tell me what to do.
You bring down your C.
Well, no, wait. Circle your variable. And I know you weren't here for this part. Draw your line of equality. Now we want to get the C by itself. So what do I have to get rid of? How do I get it by itself?
You just times the 2.
Good. The opposite of dividing is going to be times 2.
Yes.
I'm going to get you used. I'm going to get used to the language that we use. So then, as we go through this, it'll come a little bit easier to you. So whatever I do to one side of the line of equality, I.
Go to the other.
Okay. So I'm going to multiply by 2.
Well, hold on. You gotta cross that out though. First.
Yep. I'm going to cross that out. Now, go ahead.
Bring your C down.
Okay.
Yes. Then write the equals.
On my line of equality.
Then no, that's gonna be negative 26.
How'd you get that?
You times
What did you times?
13 and 2.
Negative 13 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Volunteer for the next one. Deja. Okay.
And bring a line, yeah. And then you're going to put plus 4 on both sides. And then you cross the 2 4s out. And you bring your E down with the equal sign. The answer is negative 8.
Negative 8. Nice job. So negative 12 plus 4 is going to be negative 8. Okay. Volunteer for the next one.
I will.
Okay, go ahead. So I'm going to circle my variable. I'm going to draw my line of equality. What do I do from here, Michael? How do I get the E by itself? Yep, you got to tell me what you're doing, though. What's the opposite of divide?
Times.
So you're going to multiply each side. Remember, algebra, I don't want you to use the X, so we're going to use a little dot. You're going to multiply each side by, what's that number?
Negative 5.
So put your negative 5 right there. You got to use the tip of your finger.
You need to grace your screen. It's really sticky and.
Come on. I don't have a lot of time, so type in your -5. So whatever you do to one side, you,
Have to do to the other.
okay? Use the tip of your finger. You're fine.
You have to grace your screen.
And then we cancel that. So what do I bring down on my left side? So my left side here.
E.
Okay, so write your E. Then our line of equality is equal. This isn't time for you guys to sit there and kick back and talk. What's 7 times -5?
-35.
Mm-hmm. And then what do you do with your answer? I like my screen how it is. Good job. Okay, nice job. So basically, you have E divided by -5. To get rid of the division and the -5, we do the inverse operation of multiply. Golden rule, whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. Then 7 times -5 is going to get me to -35. All right, next, last, is this the last one? Last one, who's got it? Raise your hand. Damon.
Draw that line down, then you're gonna circle that.
Okay.
You're gonna put the plus 12 on that side.
Nice job. You're going to add 12.
And after that, you're gonna put the plus 12 on the negative side. And after that, you're gonna bring that F down.
No? You got a couple house cleaning things you need to do.
Alright, cross out that 12.
Okay, then
Bring the F down. Then put equal, then put Eli.
positive or negative?
It's a positive.
That is a positive. Good. So -1 plus 12 is going to be a positive 11.
And